Brandon Paul and La Sombra. Zero. How many failing do you get? Next time you won't pass the driver's exam so you don't have a license. Also, you won't graduate this year from high school until you will pass the driver's exam. Even like SpongeBob fails the exam, but you guys won't. That is it. You are already grounded for 41 years. And you guys look at yourself. You are really bleeding and you get wounded in your head, arms, and also fractures. And you could have gotten injured and also go to the hospital for a week. I cannot believe you. The instructor told me you crashed 40 miles per hour for cruising in the hallway. And we heard the news that you are guys the only one had a causes injury. Now you will get arrested for 100 years from ever and ever from now.
Wow, you guys are funny.
Ah,
So you are going to be nice. Ha 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 ha.
don't be too proud of their Ryan, and it's not funny to make them proud. You only got 10% on your driver's exam, so you will repeat it again like them. So, until you graduate, you will be grounded for 14 years.